What if the deepest human need isn't success or wealth, but simply to belong? Belonging is the feeling of being accepted, recognized, and connected to others. It shapes identity, purpose, and stability. But sociologically, belonging is not just emotional. It is structured by society. Historically, belonging was rooted in tribe, family, and religion. In early societies, identity was collective. You belonged because you were part of something inherited. Your place was clear, but often fixed. With modernity, this began to change. Émile Durkheim argued that traditional bonds weakened as societies became more complex. Individuals gained freedom, but also experienced anomie, a sense of disconnection and normlessness. Zygmunt Bauman later described modern life as liquid, where identities and communities are unstable. Belonging becomes temporary, constantly shifting, and often fragile. Contemporary sociology deepens this understanding. Nira Yuval-Davis explains that belonging is tied to power. Who is included, who is excluded, and who decides. It is not just about feeling at home, but about being recognized as legitimate. Michèle Lamont shows how people draw symbolic boundaries, deciding who fits and who doesn't. Belonging is shaped by class, culture, and moral judgments. Across cultures, belonging takes different forms. In collectivist societies, it is often tied to family and community. In individualist societies, it is more self-defined, but also more uncertain. From a Muslim intellectual perspective, belonging has a deeper foundation. Ibn Khaldun emphasized asabiya, social cohesion, as the basis of strong societies. Belonging unites people beyond individual interest. Al-Ghazali connects belonging to the purification of the self. True belonging is not just social, it is spiritual. True belonging is rooted in alignment with truth and ethics. Tariq Ramadan argues that modern Muslims must navigate multiple identities, creating belonging that is both rooted and adaptable without losing authenticity. So what is belonging today? It is no longer given, it is negotiated. It can be inclusive or exclusionary, stable or fragile. It shapes how we see ourselves and how society sees us. The real question is not just where do I belong, but what defines my belonging and who has the power to shape it. Because belonging is not just about fitting in, it's about being recognized, valued, and connected in a world that is constantly changing. If this gave you a deeper understanding of identity and connection, subscribe to the channel. We break down powerful ideas so you don't just search for belonging, you understand it.